Students, today we are going to do cross multiplication method to find the common solution for a pair of linear equations in two variables. As in the previous video I taught you elimination method, and now we are going to do cross multiplication method. Now for this, let me take help of one example. So I am going to take one pair of linear equations, 2x plus 3y equal to 46, 3x plus 5y equal to 74. Now in this pair of equation, constant term is on right hand side, but if you want to do cross multiplication method, first we will write it like standard form of linear equation into pair of linear equation into variable, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So this is standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable. Now we will write the given equations according to this. So this equation we will rewrite as 2x plus 3y minus 46 equal to 0. So all the terms should be on left hand side. 3x plus 5y minus 74 equal to 0. Right? Now see, we have written the pair of linear equation exactly like standard form of pair of linear equations, right? Now, and if you compare it with standard form of linear equation, first equation with coefficient of x is a1, so it means our a1 is 2, similarly b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 46, right? And a2 3, b2 5 and c2 minus 74. So let me write all this. We need to, so we'll write a1 2, a2 3, b1 3, b2 5, c1 minus 46, c2 minus 74, right? So we have written the coefficients by comparing the given pair of linear equation with standard form of pair of linear equations. Now the next step of cross multiplication method is, this is first step. Now the next step of this method is, we will draw one diagram the way I am going to draw. You need to draw like this, draw a line, write the variable of the given question x, y, and here you write 1, right? Now under this we have to write b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2, and you have to put the crosses like this starting from upper left every time. You know why we are writing all this? If you want to understand, you must see the video in which I have done the derivation for this method. You will understand why we are writing all this. But here I am explaining the question how to apply this cross multiplication method. So once again, step 1, write the coefficients and constant terms by comparing with standard pair of linear equation a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. And then second step, you have to draw this diagram in which you are writing x, y, 1, and underneath you are writing b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2 like this, and putting the cross And if you see these crosses, because of these crosses only, this method is known as cross multiplication method. And students, you need not to worry, you won't forget this. Let me tell you the easy way to remember this. So if we take this a1 a2 as 1, b1 b2 as 2, c1 c2 as 3, so you see what we have written: 2 3 1 2, right? So in this way you can remember this. This method is also known as 2 3 1 2 method. 2 3 1 2 method, where 2 stands for B, 3 stands for C, 1 stands for A, and 2 stands for B. 2 3 1 2 method. 2 3 1 2, right? This is, so using this you can remember this. This is a memory tip. Now let me proceed next. Now after second step, the third step is we will write the things like this: x over. Now here you are supposed to fill the value according to given question. Now in given question, b1 b2 are 3 5 minus 46 minus 74. Your handwriting must be good, so that you won't do any calculation mistake. So ensure that, and here we will write 3 5. So this x, y and 1, you will see it will seems to be in middle of these values, no? And here this y is written under with these values, no? Here 1 is written with the. Now we will put the crosses here as it was there in the diagram. Now the next is x over. Now we have to start with upper left value, and we have to multiply upper left value with this following this arrow sign, and we have to multiply with minus 74. So we will write like this: 3 multiply with minus 74. Then we have to subtract the product which other pair represents, that is 5 and minus 46. We will multiply with it, and same we will do for y and 1. So here upper left minus 46 into 3, and we'll subtract the other product minus 74 into 2, and same we will do here, starting from upper left, 2 into 5, and we'll subtract the other product, that is 3 into 3. You must write the things like this, because by writing this you won't be doing any calculation mistake, you won't be doing any sign mistake. So it's my suggestion, please write this step, don't do multiplication directly, right? So x over, now we'll multiply, 4 3 is 12, 21 22, minus sign. Now first minus minus plus, we'll multiply the sign first, then we'll multiply the values. 6 5 is 30, 3 23 230, and here we will write y over 6 3 is 18, 12 and 1 13, minus sign, minus minus plus, 8 148, and then equal to 1 over 10 minus 9, right? Now let me do subtraction or addition, whatever is there. So here if you see, one term is negative, one term is positive, so result is 8 plus, because bigger value is 230, equal to y over 10 equal to 1 over 1, right? So next is I am doing here. So after this, now you see we got 3 fractions which are equal to each other. So to get the answer of x and y, what we are going to do, we will compare the first fraction with constant and second fraction with constant to get the answer of x and y. So x over 8 is equal to 1 over 1, y over 10 equal to 1 over 1. Why? Because all three are equal, we can take any two equal at one time. So by solving, you will get x equal to 8 and y equal to 10. So in this method, you will get the answers of both the variables simultaneously. Whereas in previous methods, if you notice, we used to get one variable answer first, and then by using that answer, we used to get the value for another variable, right? But in this method, you will get both the values of both the variables simultaneously. So this is your cross multiplication method. Let me revise once again how to do, what to do. So once again, the given pair of linear equations, we have to write it in standard form, which is all the terms should be on left hand side. Right hand side only 0 should be there. And then we will compare it with standard pair of linear equations. And we will write the coefficients a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. This is your first step. Then you have to draw a diagram. This is the formula, you can say x, y1, b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2. To learn and remember this, memory tip is 2, 3, 1, 2. 2 stand for b values, 3 for c, 1 for a, and 2 for b values. Then you have to replace these variables with the actual value of the problem, given problem. So we have replaced that. Then we will segregate it x, y and 1. And how to do, what to do with the values? We have to start with upper left and we have to follow the arrow. So 3 multiply with minus 74 and we'll subtract the 5 into minus 46 out from it. So means we have to do the subtraction between the two products following the crosses. So 3 multiply minus 74 and we have to subtract the product of this. From this product we have to subtract 5 into minus 46. Same we have to do for y and 1. For y, minus 46 into 3 minus 74 into 2 and 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3, and then we will solve. You will get 3 fractions equal to each other. Then we will equate x fraction with constant and y fraction with constant to get the answer of x and y. This is your cross multiplication method, and because of these crosses, the method name is cross multiplication method. Now try the questions and see whether you are able to do or no. Please write in comments if you like it. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.